It was the WMS that supposedly interfaced seamlessly. The problem we had was that to run that WMS required two separate databases of inventory. We spent a lot of time, day in, day out, reconciling inventory balances between the two systems. The writing was on the wall. You can't stay with a product like that. You need the vendors to be reinvesting in the product. So I think it was a no-brainer for us to go with the RIC Group.
The RIC Group software helps us in many ways. So everything from taking a sales order, the ability to pick that sales order and then turn it into an invoice. Also from a manufacturing side of point of view, we've got a bill of materials which they then pick, and then from those pick lists they then create the product and then convert that production order into a finished product.
From a business perspective, it makes things a lot more efficient. I'm confident that there'll be a lot of efficiencies in the new software compared to the previous product. In certain areas of the business, I think we've seen improvement straight away, particularly in the manufacturing side of things.
Well, no software is perfect. You know, we always have some issues. Yeah, but in terms of their support, it's fantastic and it's pretty fast as well.
Look, with everything, the learning curves are, can be quite difficult. It takes a little bit of time. It's been a new system for us, but it also has been some tailor-making of the product. And as I said, we've certainly developing the software further now with things like the cycle counts.
Yeah, look, I'd have no hesitation recommending the RIC Group to other companies in a similar situation.
The RIC Group has been very responsive to our needs, and people like the Barrage have been very, very good and able to fix things in a timely manner or understand our needs.
We were very impressed with Paul's capability and know-how and just overall warehouse knowledge. He was very practical and very much someone who could solve a problem for you.
So a good warehouse management system does help us in efficiencies and bringing down costs. The amount of people that we need is less, of course, so we're able to do a lot more with less costs.
I think, yeah, the quality is not just the software, it's the people. They're very good.
With the RIC Group, I certainly would recommend the software, especially to people at this size of business. Would certainly have the benefits of the software.
From our experience, integrate to SAP nicely. Any customer who wants to use it, yeah, you're probably welcome to give it a try.